Leptin and ghrelin are two hormones that exert opposing influences in the regulation of appetite and energy balance. Leptin is produced mainly by fat cells, and circulating leptin levels increase as body fat increases, reflecting the amount of stored energy in the body. Leptin acts on receptors in several brain regions, most notably the hypothalamus, where it suppresses food intake by inhibiting appetite-stimulating neurons and activating neurons that reduce feeding behavior. Ghrelin is produced mainly by the stomach and is released when energy availability is low, such as during a period of fasting. Ghrelin levels typically rise before meals and fall after eating, and thus may play an important role as a short-term driver of hunger and feeding. Ghrelin also exerts many of its effects through receptors in the hypothalamus, where it activates neurons that promote feeding behavior. Ghrelin may also influence the reward system, which could increase food intake for the sake of pleasure, independent of energy availability. In general, leptin inhibits hunger and ghrelin stimulates it, and the balance between the two forms part of a broader system that helps regulate feeding behavior and body weight. When we lose weight, for example, ghrelin levels tend to increase and leptin decreases, mechanisms that are thought to help us maintain a consistent weight over time. The role of leptin and ghrelin in obesity, however, is still unclear. Leptin levels in obesity are higher than normal, but the brain is often less responsive to leptin, a phenomenon called leptin resistance. Ghrelin levels are typically lower in people with obesity, and do not fall as significantly after a meal, nor rise as much before a meal. It's possible these more stable ghrelin levels could result in less restricted eating periods and contribute to obesity, but more research is needed to confirm this.